Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Tepangkeun nami abdi Sabila Nurul Rahmati kelas 11 IPS 2. Ieu sana rencana nabi namina Najwa.
Perjalanan ke Jogja, tapi rencangan abdi sibuk kue bobo.
Rinai hujan basahi aku, temani sepi yang mengendap. Kala aku mengingatmu dan semua saat manis itu.
Ayeuna urang Merdeka lanjut ke Magelang sekitar 4 jaman deh.
Kalau orang ditinggalkan di depan serang.
Iya kak.
Kayak pagi deh gimana kali?
Indonesia tanah air beta, pusaka abadi nan jaya. Indonesia sejak dulu kala tetap dipuja-puja bangsa. Di sana tempat lahir beta, dibuai dibesarkan bunda.
Nah, jantan ayeuna terus dugi di Candi Borobudur. Hujan. Oke, lanjut ke jero. Yuk ayeuna arurang aya di area Candi Borobudur. Ayeuna menuju ka ditu.
Ayeuna arurang nuju perjalanan ke Candi Borobudur.
Itu adalah candina Candi Borobudur teh dina sejarah aya 3 tingkatana. Nu kahiji nu paling luhur nyata tempat cicingna para dewa. Nu kadua teh tempat manusia biasa. Anu terakhir
Borobudur teh dugi ka ayeuna teh masih sok dianggo ku umat Buddha kanggo ngarayakeun Hari Raya Waisak.
Anu dugi ka ayeuna masih kene di anggo tapi janten tempat wisata oge nya aujan.
Sabab kaendahana Candi Borobudur teh seueur anu ngunjungan. Aya wisatawan lokal, aya oge turis atau wisatawan asing.
Ayeuna bade papa sareng sopi sareng aja.
Janten ayeuna urang bade turun ka handap. Atos bade uling. So, kamera belakang. Ih.
Where should we run to? We got the world in our hands and we're ready to play. They say we're wasted, but how can we waste it if we're loving every day? Okay, I got the keys to the universe, so stay with me, cause I got the keys, baby. Don't wanna wake up one day wishing that we'd done more.
Dan ayeuna teh urang teh bade angkat ke lereng Manado. Ayeuna tos naik jeep.
Cheers to the wish you were here, but you're not, cause the drinks bring back all the memories of everything we've been through. Toast to the ones in today. Toast to the ones that we lost on the way, cause the drinks bring back all the memories, and the memories bring back your. There's a time that I remember when I did not know no pain, when I believed in forever, and everything would stay the same. Now my heart feel like December when somebody say your name, cause I can't reach out to call you, but I know I will one day. Everybody hurts sometimes, everybody hurts someday.
Museum sisa harta ya teh keayaan bumi saacan Merapi ya contoh evakuasi jadi kita alat-alat rumah tangga mungkin lebih halal besar ya contoh.
Bring back your. There's a time that I remember when I never felt so lost, and I felt all of the hatred. For the stars. Now my heart feel like an ember, and it's lighting up the dark. I'll carry these torches for you, and you know I never try. Yeah. Everybody hurts sometimes, everybody hurts someday. Everything will be alright. Toast to the ones in today. Toast to the ones that we lost on the way, cause the drinks bring back all the memories, and the memories bring back your.
Di ayeuna urang teh geus di objek wisata Batu Alien.
Jantan
Geus ngopi tadi kalau diomongkeun di wisata Batu Alien.
selamat datang.
always bring back your.
Selfie kawas Najwa yang suka selfie.
Jadi guys, matak disebat batu alien, batu
Spend 24 hours and more hours with you. You spend the weekend.
Kita kemana Lia? Kita kan Najib deh. Cici lah, Sofi masuk ngalung kita.
We spend the late nights making things right between us. I will always remember.
Sofi nuju mah. Sofi nuju mah. Ayo yang itu sampai. Sofi nuju mah. Tinggal save mamna. Rewongnya alif-alif oge. Nyawa nya.
We were only in love,
Di hotel. Terus
but acting like grown-ups like we are in the present.
kisahnya
Drinking from plastic cups, singing along to
ayah.
Potong kita ngobrol Jawa.
Terus ayeuna teh bade jalan-jalan ka
Malioboro.
dancing on the hood in the middle of the woods of an old Mustang, where we sang songs with all our childhood friends. And it went like this, say, oops, I got 99 problems singing blah, blah, blah.
jajan oleh-oleh nitip serba ayah
Kan aya nate pas pergi di Malioboro.
Fast forward to 18, we are more than lovers. Yeah, we know what we need when we're holding each other. I'm taken back to 2002. Yeah, dancing on the hood in the middle of the woods.
Bibil sarapan. Suasana sarapan. Kita banyak sebenarnya. Sarapan. Kudu sakuling.
You can kill the lights, you can draw the blinds. My heart shackled down, bound to your bed. Can you stay a while? Keep me by your side. Fill my scattered heart, fix me, I said.
Video ini diangkat. Yes, oh ini rasul.
If you stay.
Saat di The Java, orang lanjut ke Museum Demata di Walik Sarangga Arca.
Where should we run to? We got the road in our hands and we're ready to play. They say we're wasted, but how can we waste it if we're loving every day? Okay.
Makan siang, mam siang. Di mana dia mam? Di Jalan Kapang. Ya.
Fast and never look back. It's what we're here for. Don't wanna wake up one day wonder. Lembayung senja, lembayung senja, lembayung senja.
Sendu di akhir tahunku, ingin berteduh. Di manakah itu? Biru telah menungguku, ingin berjumpa.
Happy birthday, Mariski.
Oke guys, hatur nuhun kasadayana anu tos nonton video vlog Sunda kelompok 5.
Tong hilap, like, comment, and subscribe.